Hello and welcome to our video on the incredible benefits of drinking papaya juice every day. Papaya is a tropical fruit that is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a powerhouse of nutrition. Papaya juice is a delicious and easy way to add this amazing fruit to your daily diet. So, let's dive into the benefits of papaya juice. Boosts immunity. Papaya juice is rich in vitamin C, which helps to boost the immune system. It also contains enzymes that help to break down proteins, making it easier for the body to absorb nutrients. Improves digestion. Papaya juice contains papain, an enzyme that helps to break down proteins and aids digestion. It also has high fiber content, which helps to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Lowers cholesterol. Papaya juice is rich in antioxidants that help to reduce cholesterol levels in the body. It also contains fiber that helps to remove excess cholesterol from the body. Prevents cancer. Papaya juice is rich in antioxidants that help to prevent the formation of cancer cells in the body. It also contains beta-carotene, which is known to reduce the risk of prostate and colon cancer. Aids weight loss. Papaya juice is low in calories and high in fiber, making it an ideal drink for weight loss. It also contains an enzyme called papain that helps to break down proteins and aid digestion. Improves heart health. Papaya juice contains potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure and improve heart health. It also contains antioxidants that help to prevent the oxidation of cholesterol in the body. Promotes healthy skin. Papaya juice is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help to promote healthy skin. It also contains enzymes that help to exfoliate the skin and remove dead skin cells. Relieves menstrual pain. Papaya juice is known to relieve menstrual pain due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps to regulate hormones and reduce bloating. Improves eye health. Papaya juice is rich in vitamin A, which is essential for eye health. It also contains antioxidants that help to prevent the formation of cataracts and other eye disorders. Boosts energy. Papaya juice is a rich source of carbohydrates, which helps to boost energy levels. It also contains vitamin B complex, which helps to convert food into energy. So, these are the incredible benefits of drinking papaya juice every day. It is a delicious and easy way to add nutrition to your daily diet. We hope you found this video informative and useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Thank you for watching.